Christmas time and food always go together. I'm here today with the awesome Chef Villa from RC32Q. What is it?
Riverchase Career Connection Center.
And what's the R? Is it RC3?
RC3
there.
for short.
I didn't butcher it too bad.
Not at all.
It has been a while since I've been here, and I'm so excited that we get to chat again today and get caught up on all the really cool things going on here. Tell me about these, what's going on with the students, and fill me in.
Well, we are back at it 100%. You know, we had a little setback along with the rest of the nation.
Sure.
But we're growing. We've added an additional instructor, Chef Alethea Carter.
Cool.
So our baking and pastry and event planning and everything else has improved by 300%.
Awesome.
We offer meal kits now for people to purchase that you can do the healthy thing. And if you're not into that, I'll tell you a little bit about the other stuff that tastes really, really good.
Oh, cool. So meal kits. So that is like the rage right now because, you know, people who are, nobody has time to fix food. Nobody wants to go grocery shopping. And so there's all these companies that have popped up that you can get meal kits from. Right. So talk to me about that. But before you do, I've always wanted to wear a hat like that.
Yeah. You're the first one that's ever asked for that.
Really?
And with it being the season of giving.
Oh, my very
Yes.
own, my very own. What's the
Yes.
right way and the wrong way?
Well, let's see.
Is there a right way and a wrong way?
How's that?
Got the hair fixed. Okay. Now
Beautiful.
then, I feel official. So talk to me about these meal kits. Like if someone wants to order a meal kit, so it starts in January,
Right.
I understand, which is perfect timing for those of us who need to drop a few pounds or, like my husband probably doesn't want to.
Right, that's me.
Yeah, you do.
Right.
So how does it work?
There's level 3, 2, and 1. For example, 3 would be the most difficult. Level 1 is just fry this, boil that, and put it together.
Okay.
Short and sweet. The healthy might be 2 or 3 chicken breasts with some fresh vegetables. We try to stay away from canned and processed. It's in bubble wrap, and there's a easy to follow recipe card that just takes you right through it. And
So
we're
if I
always here to help.
wanted a meal plan, say do I buy it for a month? Do I buy it for a week?
No, as you want to buy it, you can buy it. You're not locked into anything like a subscription.
Right. But if I wanted to buy a week, I could.
You can buy it, yeah.
And so do you have a menu that people can
Yeah,
look at and
we
check
post
out?
them, and we'll post them to the RC3 website and the Hoover City School website. And
Very
yeah,
cool.
we'll take all the money you're willing to spend.
Yeah.
And it goes back into the program, and it enables us to buy more product to work with for the students to get more chopping and dicing, and that's what it's about.
So these meal prep kits are things that the students work on, put together, learn about nutrition.
Right.
What all goes into that process?
It's curriculum driven, so whatever we're working on at that time dictates what the boxes that we offer. So if it's root vegetables, if it's fresh fruits, seasonal things,
Okay.
then that's what steers what we do. It's not just for the sake of fundraising, it actually with a purpose.
Okay. So the students prep the meals. If someone's interested, when all of Hoover is interested,
Right.
we'll put a link for your website. They go there, check out the menu,
Yep.
tells them how to order, where to order, what they get, and how to
That's
pay
right.
for it.
Exactly.
All there.
Exactly.
That is the coolest.
We are cool.
Yeah.
Yes.
I love it.
Yes.
Thank you for that.
You're welcome.
Love it.
Love you.